Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you a tour of the office of the Prime Minister. This facility is located at 1 Devon Road in Kingston. This is where the Prime Minister has his office and other entities that fall under the office of the Prime Minister. Alright, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this facility and what happens here. The Office of the Prime Minister is the administrative and executive headquarters of the Government of Jamaica. It serves as a central hub through which the Prime Minister provides leadership to the Cabinet, coordinates national policies, and oversees the implementation of government programs. Since independence in 1962, the OPM has played a vital role in shaping Jamaica's political, social, and economic trajectory. The OPM is located at 1 Devon Road, Kingston 10, Jamaica. The building is situated in the heart of Kingston, close to other key government institutions, including ministries and foreign embassies. The location reflects its importance as a seat of executive authority and a central point of contact for both local and international stakeholders in Jamaican governance. When Jamaica gained independence from Britain on August 6, 1962, the new constitutional arrangement established the post of Prime Minister as head of government alongside the Governor-General, who acts as a representative of the British monarch and head of state. The OPM was created at that time to support the Prime Minister in carrying out executive duties. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think of this facility. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.